What is the difference between all and remove filter function in DAX? A very common interview question. Remove filters is basically alternative or replacement of all function. And if I have to explain you in one line, remove filters and all functions does the exact same things, that is removing the filters. However, the difference is that all function returns a table, whereas remove filters function does not return a table. Now, this is a very theoretical definition. Let us understand this practically and with the help of example, so that in the interview you will be able to answer even the counter questions. Okay, so on the screen you can see that I have created a table and I'm just making use of all function, and within that using this product table, and we can see that we are getting this table. That means all function can return a table. Now here it's important that you notice we are not using calculate function, so there is no filter context. I am directly making use of all function and that is returning a table. Now if you try to do the exact same thing for the remove filters function, as we can see we are getting this error message. Remove filters function cannot be used as a table expression. It can appear only as a filter in calculate. That means remove filters has a very clear and specific job. Whenever you want to remove filters, make use of this function. Now let's try to understand this with the help of an example. On the screen, we can see this particular table visual has got categories. Then we have got total sales measure, and I hope you already know that this is nothing but sum of sales amount. Then we have this all measure, and then we have this remove filters measure. Now, if you have a look at these two measures, the formula is exactly same. We are making use of calculate function. Within calculate, we are using this total sales measure. Then we are making use of this all function here for this one. And for the second one, we are doing the exact same thing. Instead of all, we have remove filters. Rest, you can see the things are exactly same. And we can see that the output is exactly same. That means the filter is getting removed. We can see we are getting total sum of sales for all these rows. Visual level filter is not working. Even the external filter, you can see, even if I am filtering externally, this total amount is not changing. That means these two functions do the exact same thing, that is removing the filters when used within the calculate function. Then what is the point of all returning the table? There is a reason. I will show you that. So let's say I have created this measure which has got this rank X function. Okay. Now, and we can see that this is giving us the rank. So the highest total sales has got rank 1, the lowest one has got 3, like that. And in this rank X function, as we can see, we are making use of all function. And then we are making use of total sales, that is a measure. Okay. So what is exactly happening here? We are not removing filters. We are returning a table by using this all function. So what really happens is, for the rankx function to provide the ranking, it needs a table. And that table is given by this all function. That means it is returning a table. Okay. Now, can we do the exact same thing using this remove filters? Of course not. I will try and show you. Remove filters, and if I do this, this will throw an error as expected. So I'll remove this, and now if I revert the changes, it works fine. So this is the exact difference between all and the remove filters functions. For your answer in interview question, I will try to summarize the difference between these two functions. All function as well as remove filters do the exact same things when used within the calculate function, that is to remove the filter. However, all function returns the table, whereas remove filters does not return a table. Why does all function return a table? So that we can make use of all function within the functions like rankx, top function, or the iteration functions like sumx, maxx, filter, all like multiple functions are there where we can make use of all function. Okay. Last thing, just if you are curious, why was remove filters introduced if we already had the all function? All function can do both the things, remove the filters and return a table, but it might get confusing. So only for the role of removing the filters, this particular remove filters function was introduced by Power BI. Okay. So this is the entire story of the difference between these two functions, and I hope this answer will help you answer in your interview questions very easily. and it will add the value for your preparation of the job interview. If you like this video, make sure that you comment down. Okay, I'll be really glad if you comment, like, and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and have a nice day.